Hello, and here I want to demonstrate for you how to create a line graph. Now look, we have data here for Johnny. This is Johnny's academic data, percent correct. Spelling words, 10 spelling words, this is the percent correct. First day he had 20, the second 30, the third 20. And then intervention began, and we have 70, 80, 70, 90, 90, and 90% of correct spelling words. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to highlight our data, and we're going to insert a scatter. It's my favorite. All right, look, here we have this data graph right here. All right, so what we want to do is perhaps make this have increments of 1. I'm going to click on one of these numbers. I'm going to right click it, and I'm going to format the axis. So we can change our units to be 1 instead of 2. And we're going to have tick marks so that we can see where each one lies. Okay. And since we're dealing with percents, we need our vertical scale to go to 100. It already is, but if it wasn't, I would just click once on a number. Now I will right click, format that axis, and I would put my maximum bound as 100. And my units at 10 are fine here, and we'll put little outside tick marks because I want to get rid of all of these lines inside by pointing on it and clicking. I'm just going to delete. We'll do the same for these horizontal lines. Click it once, highlight it, and delete. So here we have the start of our graph. However, we're missing our axis labels. It's very important that we have good axis labels. So I'm going to go to Design, and then I'm going to add chart elements, and I'm going to look at my axis titles. My horizontal is going to be days. Let's do capital D. And my vertical is going to be percent spelled correctly. Percent. Okay. I can name my chart. Wow. Johnny's spelling scores. All right, so looks pretty good, right? Well, we're missing a condition line. We need a break in the data. So if I go to here's our first condition, and I go to the first point of our second condition, I click it once, I click it twice, it highlights just that data point. So I want to delete the line for that. So I'm going to right click, format that data. I'm blinking. Okay. So I want this bucket is going to show me what I can do to my line. And I'm going to click the bucket, and I'm going to say no line. Oh, voila. Okay, so there we have that. We're almost perfect, except we need that condition line. So I'm going to shape. I'm just going to insert a line. I'm going to hit Shift, Control, and Alt to make a straight line. Easy as that. If we want to add text, we click our text box here. I'm going to say this is baseline. Text box. Intervention. Line it up. Okay, so I have my graph. I'm going to highlight the outside. I'm going to right click, copy it, and I can put it wherever I want. I can take a Word document and I can paste it right there. I have a nice graph. All right, guys, I hope this helps.